Welcome to Cairo.
Hi. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite street food, shawarma. I'm excited. Hello and good afternoon from Egypt. So today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite street food, shawarma. Haven't I already made videos about shawarma? Yes, I have. And it is so damn good that I am making another one. That and every time I make a shawarma video, Egyptians comment on the channel recommending more places. So today I'm going to be heading across the Nile. I'm in downtown Cairo and I'll be heading into Doi, which is on Giza side, because I was recommended a restaurant by a subscriber. I don't know much about it other than it's supposed to be good, but I found out that it's quite old. I actually mentioned to my boyfriend this place and he said, oh, my dad knows that place and said it's famous. So I guess it's been around for a minute. It's popular. I'm excited to check it out. I'm hungry, so I figured come along for the ride with me. So yeah, let's head on over to Giza, to Doi, and try Neama. We'll figure out the name when I get there. See you soon. So, once we get going, it feels good. But it is hot. It's only 36 today, actually. By Cairo standards, that's not so bad for summer. But I'm still hot. What's the hold up here? Some people gotta step on it in their big fat cars. Yeah, I think it's this place. It is. Oh, can I park my bike here though? It's like police stuff everywhere. Well, I'm going to eat here, so I'm just gonna try to park my bike here. And hopefully nobody says anything. I don't know. Smells good. All right, and we are here at Neama? Maybe. Assalamu alaikum. ازاي هو دي بالعربي؟
Neama. It's called Neama. Neama.
Yeah. Is this a very old restaurant?
Okay.
It's very old?
Since
كم سنة?
Since 1968.
Let's see, that is 67. Wow. 68. Good thing he knows more English and Arabic than me. Shukran. All right, so yeah, since 1968. It's been around. Let's look at this place. Those look pretty busy. I'm gonna get in line, order. Where do I order? Here? I'm just gonna get one shawarma because I want to just show one and then take the rest home and eat with my boyfriend also. So I'm gonna order just one on camera, but don't worry, I'm eating more than just one. But I'm excited to try this out. السلام عليكم. عايز شاورما لحمة كايزر رول.
كم واحد؟
أنا هرجع بعد كذا بس عايزة أصور شوية.
الواحد 50.
إيه؟
سندوتش ب 50.
50 واحد. تمام. 50 for the sandwich. Okay. So yeah, 50 for that. السلام عليكم. شاورما. عشان اسفه. تمام هنا صح؟ اهلا. شكرا. هنا تمام شكرا. Oh no, don't call me sweetie. That's gross. Hi.
ايدي لوحدك ها.
شكرا. I need to stop hanging my money out here. Yeah, thirsty and hot. So just one for the camera.
واحد ولا وين؟
عايزة واحد دلوقتي بس بعد صور عايزة أكتر.
لا واحدة. هتجيب حاجة تانية ولا خلاص؟
خلاص.
ولا أصور وبعد تاكل بعدين؟
أنا بصور هنا. شكرا. اسمك إيه؟
أنا محمد.
محمد.
ويلكم تو كايرو.
شكرا جدا.
لا شيف.
شيف.
عسل. What's your name?
أنا جيجي.
جيجي.
بحب مصر جدا.
ألف سلامة. بتحبك برضه.
Well, the production is big here. All right, I got the sandwich. I just want to try it and then go back and order more because I know I'm going to want more than just this. Yalla. I'm going to eat by my motorcycle. Hi. The Nile is just behind me. And yeah, let's try this shawarma. It's gonna be hard to film and eat. Let me open this up first. أنا مشغولة أنا أصور. لا أنا بس أنا مشغولة مش عايزة أتكلم. شكرا. يسطا. Okay, a kid was trying to talk to me and I was like, bro, kind of busy right now. He's like, okay, where are you from? So we have the Kaiser roll, which is like the Egyptian style. Let me see if I can give you a peek inside. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, that's good. Oh, so good. I'm so hungry. Yep. Very delicious. The guy that recommended me this place also said the bechamel is very good. I don't know. I didn't order the bechamel. Maybe I should. I'm not feeling like pasta today though. Let me get a look at this place again. Yum. Shawarma. Could make 1,000 videos about this and it would never get old. There's so many great spots to eat at.
Here from Neama in Egypt.
أيوة.
Live.
شكرا. So yeah, there's a lot of great shawarma places to try. And if you have suggestions, let me know. Maybe I'll make a video about it. Maybe I'll just go there and eat. But I'm always looking for new restaurants to try, shawarma or otherwise. So, all right, guys, that was a quick video, just a quick ride into Giza to try this. But thank you so much for watching. Come here and try it out if you're in the area. The Nile, like I said, is just right across this busy street here. So you could probably cross and sit by the water if you find a place. I'm gonna hop on my bike after ordering more food and eat it inside. Neama, thank you so much for watching. Catch you on the next one. تمام شكرا مع السلامة باي